Have you ever wondered how Pluto, the dwarf planet in the outermost reaches of our solar system, acquired its iconic, heart-shaped region? The answer might surprise you. Recent research proposes a thrilling explanation. It suggests that this romantic feature, known as Sputnik Planitia, was formed not by a gentle process of geological evolution, but by a cataclysmic event. Yes, a collision with another planetary body, about the size of Arizona, is believed to have sculpted Pluto's heart. Imagine the drama of such a cosmic event. This celestial body hurtled through the frigid void of space, finally smashing into Pluto's surface. The impact, although at a low velocity and at an angle, was powerful enough to create an impressive basin now filled with nitrogen ice. But the surprises don't stop there. This research not only challenges our understanding of Pluto's geographical features, but it also shakes up assumptions about what lies beneath its icy exterior. Contrary to previous beliefs, this study indicates that Pluto does not in fact have a subsurface ocean. The fascinating aspect of this discovery is that the core of the impactor, the object that collided with Pluto, remained intact on the surface. This preserved core offers invaluable insights into Pluto's early history and evolution. This revelation doesn't merely add a new layer to our knowledge of Pluto. It also has implications for our understanding of other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune, teeming with icy bodies and dwarf planets. To recap, the heart of Pluto, its most distinctive feature, was likely formed by a collision with a planetary body the size of Arizona. This impact created a nitrogen ice-filled basin and left the core of the impactor intact on Pluto's surface. Contrary to previous beliefs, Pluto does not have a subsurface ocean. These findings offer a fresh perspective on Pluto's history and evolution, and may also apply to other objects in the Kuiper Belt. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that even the cold, distant Pluto has a heart, born not of serenity but of a dramatic cosmic collision.